Greetings everybody. Myself Palkumar Pat. Welcome to LeetCode problem solving series. Today we are going to solve a too much easy question which is 1108 defanging an IP address. So we'll start by understanding our problem and then directly move to the optimized solution because of the complexity of the question being too much low. So let's just start by understanding what our problem is trying to say. So we are given a string which is named as address and it contains characters either in integers, and all the integers are separated by a point, a dot. Okay, and our task is simple that we need to return back another string which contains every dot replaced by this way, like a square brackets and then inside that dot. Okay, this is our simple complete task, that whenever we have a dot only, then and then only replace the dot by covering it with a square brackets. Okay, and then at the end of the code we need to return that string after changing every dot by covering it by a square bracket. So this is our complete problem. Let's just move to the solution for solving it, the most optimized way to solve. So we will having a string which we answer, which will be empty at the start, and then we will simply iterate through our given complete string. Okay, and address dot size, and during that iteration itself what we'll be doing is that we will simply check if our current character, like address of I, is equal to a dot. If it's a dot, then what you need to do is that you need to add this complete string which is a square brackets. Okay, like dot covered by a square brackets, you need to add that string. But if that's not the case, then we know that yes, we need to simply add the integers that we currently have. So simply answer plus equal to the current address of I. Simply add directly that. Okay, and at the end of the code return that result, or we can say answer. Okay, this way at the end of the code we will have the complete problem solved perfectly. So let's just run for the main test cases checking. So yeah, it works perfectly. Let's just submit the code for the internal test cases checking also. So yeah, it perfectly works, and obviously it's the most optimized way to solve the problem. As you can see, the space and time are much optimized for our problem. So this was the complete problem that I solved today. If you want this code, you can get that from the description of the video. If you want to connect with me personally, you can also use the links which are present in the description of the video. If you want to check more of the questions, I have solved daily questions too of LeetCode. You can check that from the LeetCode problem solving series. Also, another questions are also going to be added. So for following with me along, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for staying till the end. Thank you.